Hi guys, this is Matt here, and I want to show you a new function that leads to the Fibonacci series that I found while I was doodling with a pen and paper. Here it is, and I'll explain to you the rules. There's very simple rules up here. We just have dots here. A white dot will divide into a white dot and a black dot. And a white dot will divide into two white dots. That's with 50% regularity. A black dot will divide into two white dots. And when a white dot and a black dot meet, they cancel out and we get a black dot. Pretty simple. So let's see how that translates into the Fibonacci series. Well, we can begin with any dot. It doesn't matter which dot you begin with. You can begin with a white dot that decays into one and a black dot, or a white dot that decays into two white dots, or you can begin with a black dot that decays into two white dots. In this example, I've started with a white dot and it's going to decay into a white dot and a black dot. They'll meet in the middle and cancel out. The black dot invariably decays into two white dots. And we have two. Bring them to the middle. And then one of these white dots will decay into two white dots. The other one will decay into a white dot and a black dot. Bring them to the middle, and the black dot will cancel out one of the white dots, and we're left with three dots, one of them black. And you can see on the right we've already got the beginning of the series 1, 1, 2, 3. The next step, one of these white dots will decay into two. The black dot will decay into two. And the other white dot will decay into one white dot and one black dot. Then we're left with 5 when the black dot cancels out. Now that will divide similarly into 8 parts and 2 parts. 2 parts will cancel out. That will divide into 2, 3, and 13, etc., etc. It works all the way up the series. You can see here we divided half of these 6 white dots into white dots, and the other half into black dots, and the other 3 white dots went to 2 white dots, and the black dots went to 2 white dots each. So you can play around with it yourself. It works. It's interesting because we're dividing instead of adding. And here you can see we have the Fibonacci series 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. And what's interesting about the black series is that we have an extra 1 at the beginning here. And that's interesting because if we go from 21 and we add the sum of the entire series, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 13 plus 21, we get a number that's 1 short of the Fibonacci series. So I think it's interesting that we have an extra 1 in the black series. The black series continues all the way down as well, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, etc. So it's the same on both sides. We have a Fibonacci series on both sides. One is delayed by 1. In the middle is also a Fibonacci series. So it's quite a nice set. It's like a wave. Instead of adding numbers, we're dividing them, and they unfold in waves. So I think that's pretty interesting, and let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.